everybody, so I wanted to talk to you guys briefly before I start painting about something that I think is really important, and that is using acrylic pouring for your mental health. We all have stressful lives, and if you guys are feeling like I'm feeling, especially lately, the world, I think, has lost its mind, and it makes me feel like I've lost my mind. So acrylic pouring is a great way to get away from that, just even if it's for 15 minutes, an hour. We all need to decompress from the stressors in our lives, and I really think that it's a great way for you to relax. Go in your space, whatever space you have, and just focus on that. Like I said, even if it's only for 15 minutes or so, pick out your colors and just concentrate on creating something beautiful. And then you'll feel energized and you'll be ready to get back into your everyday life. I love to paint. I think it's an amazing hobby. For those of you that have never done acrylic pouring, I highly suggest you try it. It really is a way to clear your head. So if you're new to acrylic pouring, I highly recommend it. There's so many different techniques. Pick an easy one. The cool thing about acrylic pouring is even if you do the same technique, same colors, do it over and over, you'll get a different outcome every time. So it's so relaxing to watch your paints do their thing, the developed cool cells and all the cool stuff. So again, I highly recommend it. I also have a Facebook group with over 20,000 members, a really big community. If you need any help, you have any questions, somebody's always there to help you. I'm there as well. So again, I highly recommend acrylic pouring to keep you grounded and less stress in your life. All right, guys, now that I've touched on the mental health aspect of acrylic pouring, I am going to show you how it's done. So today I'm going to be doing what's considered a beginner technique. It's a flip cup. All right, so let's see how it's done. All right, everybody, so I hope you're having a great day, and today I'm working on a 12 by 16 canvas, and as you can see, I had previously used it and scraped it, so I'm reusing it today. And I wanted to quickly go over my paints that I'm using. I've got Prussian blue from Amsterdam. I have got the DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics Copper, super pretty. And this one here, if you can see that one, I mixed two paints together. I've got the Fine Touch Violet and Soho Urban Artist Alizarin Crimson. I wanted a cranberry or Merlot type color, and that one looks super pretty. And my next color is from Folk Art. It is Metallic Pearl White. And then I've got another two of them that I mixed together. This is Phthalo Turquoise from the Fine Touch, and then DecoArt Americana Premium Cobalt Turquoise Hue. So one thing I wanted to touch on, again, since we're talking about, you know, the mental health aspect of acrylic pouring, another way that I find, another part of acrylic pouring that I find relaxing is mixing my own paints. So this one, for instance, like I said, I use two different paints. I love mixing. It's calming to me, and so that's why I really like to, you know, create different colors. If there's not one that that's exactly like I want, I make my own. So that is a really relaxing thing to do as well. So all of my paints are mixed with my pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium. Floetrol water, and I think I added a little golden GAC 800, and they are mixed 1 part paint to 2.5 parts pouring medium. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump in and start putting my paints in the cup, and I kind of have an order already, you know, set, but a lot of times I deviate, and I'm going to try not to use too much of the copper, it tends to take over. But again, I may deviate because I do like the color, so we will see. So I'm kind of just, I think I'm just going to go ahead and keep pouring the paints in the cup and let you guys enjoy, see how this develops. Alright guys, here we go with the dried result, and I'm pretty happy with how it dried. I did get a little bit of flocculation there in the copper, but that's no big deal. I can always touch that up. Make sure you leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And I am really happy, guys, that I can share the benefits of acrylic pouring with you. If you're having a little stress and anxiety, maybe that can reduce it and also maybe improve your self-esteem. Don't forget, if you have any questions, you can leave those in the comments below, or you can reach out to me on my Facebook group, Acrylic Pouring with Friends. If you got anything out of my video today, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you have not. And don't forget to share this video if you think someone else may enjoy it. Alright guys, I got a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.